Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Hello, welcome to the beginning of this vlog. I don't even know the last time I posted a video. Probably like May? Whoops. Yeah, sorry, life is crazy, it's busy, it's weird. Some of you may know I've been working on a secret project for like the whole summer, so it's been taking up a lot of time and stress, but that's almost over, which is so sad. Honestly, I could cry. I'm gonna be so sad. So once everything's done and wrapped up, I should be able to get back into the swing of things. It's actually Tuesday today, right? It's Tuesday, but it's the week of the 4th of July, so obviously I had to film. Also, my birthday was last week. I turned 19. I filmed some stuff, but I'm not going to post it anywhere. So this week should be kind of fun. All the 4th of July festivities. I don't know how much I'm going to film or how often I'm going to film. I might just end it after the 4th. We'll see. But today is a pretty chill day. I'm so tired. Also, I have like 10 million mosquito bites. I got eaten alive. They're all over my arms. You can't even see. All over my legs. All over my feet and my ankles. What's with that? I don't get... And my fingers? Why do they bite you there? I don't... Anyway, my friend Marianne just texted me. You guys are gonna love Marianne. She is one of my favorite people in the whole world. But she texted me and we wanted to go take pictures for the 4th of July. So we're gonna meet in Salt Lake and take some pictures. This is the outfit I'm gonna wear on the 4th of July and I love it. You guys should know my favorite holiday is the 4th of July. I just love it so much. It makes me so happy. Anyway, so I'll show you what I'm wearing. This bandana is from Target. I just picked it up last week or something. This dress is from Ruly. It is so stinking cute. Everything's always linked down below. You already know. But it's red gingham. It's like baby doll style, which I don't usually go for, but I thought it'd be perfect for the 4th of July. And it's so comfy and I just love it so much. And then for shoes, I'm not sure what I'll wear. Maybe white Converse or just sandals. So we'll see. I'm wearing these earrings. They're little tiny stars. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Okay, this is my hidden talent. Ah! Are you impressed?
I'm super impressed.
Do it for the gram.
Let's do it for the vine.
Do it for the
I'm just kidding. Vine is dead. It's not for the vine. This never happens. Tell us. Oh, it's really good. Yeah. Oh.
Thank you. Yes. Hey, we should Instagram this.
Ooh.
Oh. Okay. At the parade that had a coupon on it to go get a free donut. Oh, it's literally so fresh.
It's like miles.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. This is so good. Happy 4th of July, everybody. This is probably gonna be the lamest 4th of July ever, actually, but it's okay. We went to the parade this morning and I got a free donut. I showed you guys that. Everybody's coming over. We have family, whatever, cousins, people coming at 5. So we're gonna swim, have a barbecue, do whatever, and then we'll go to the fireworks, which is the best part. Yeah, right now I'm gonna make a cake. I'm gonna do chocolate cake with whipped cream for frosting or whatever, like the Cool Whip that comes in the containers. So that's what I'm gonna do. Here's my cute mom. Look at her decorating. So festive.
think I got too much.
This is the saddest 4th of July ever.
I totally want to see him fall in. Every video.
You read last night.
This is probably nice in Georgia. It's probably hot.
If the light strikes us, which one?
Hey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear America. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, ready? Over, isn't she?
3,
Don't go through the window.
1. Yeah. Isn't that fun?
Do you hear that? That's the sound of pouring rain, right as the fireworks were about to start. Sorry, the AC's on because it's freaking hot now. And I'm chewing gum. I'm just breaking all the rules of vlogging right now. So I'm gonna wrap this up. It's now Saturday, 4th of July was on Thursday. I feel like this video was a fail. I kind of don't even want to post it, but I might. So it rained basically, and we couldn't really see any fireworks, which was disappointing. We tried to just watch them from our yard because everything was wet. We didn't want to go sit on wet grass and be freezing. We saw a few. They were really far. It wasn't the best 4th of July experience, but it's okay. There will be other 4th of Julys. Plus, we saw some fireworks last night, which was good. Out our window, there was like a perfect view from the pool, which was awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching. I know this vlog was random. It wasn't the best. Sorry. I'm trying to get back on my game very soon. Thank you for being patient with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.